In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image block to your Squarespace page. This process is straightforward, and by following along with these steps, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate visuals into your website, making it more engaging and dynamic. First things first, you'll need to log into your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all the sites you manage. Select the website that you want to work on. After you select the site, you'll be directed to a more detailed menu. Here, you'll want to click on the Website option to dive deeper into the site's settings and content management areas. Next, you'll notice a side menu listing various options to customize your site. Click on Pages. This is where you'll find all the existing pages of your site, and it's essentially the control center for all the content you want to display. Scroll through your list of pages until you find the one you'd like to work on today. Click on the page name, and you'll see an Edit button pop up in the top left of the screen. Go ahead and press Edit. This action opens up the page editor interface, allowing you to make changes and additions to your page's content. Once you're in the editing mode, it's time to introduce a new content block. You'll do this by clicking Add Block, typically indicated by a plus sign or similar icon. This feature allows you to enhance your web page by embedding different types of content such as text, images, and more. For our particular task today, we'll focus on adding an image block, so select the Image option from the drop-down menu that appears. After selecting the image block, you'll notice a plus icon. This is your gateway to adding a visual element to your page. Click this plus icon, and you'll be prompted to upload an image. You have two main options here. You can either upload a new image directly from your computer, which is useful if you have fresh content that isn't on the platform yet, or you can select an image from your existing library if you've already uploaded visuals to Squarespace. Once you've chosen the right image, give it a moment to upload or appear from your library. It's always a good idea to check and ensure the image appears correctly and aligns with the surrounding content. If everything looks perfect, you're almost done. The final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button located in the top left corner of the screen. Clicking on it will save all the edits you just made, ensuring your newly added image block is live and visible on your site. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective way to add image blocks to your Squarespace page. By following these steps, you can enrich your website with visual content that captivates your audience and enhances the user experience. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.